We can use like that. And then one more thing.
Root A divided by root B is equal to.
The division is a multiplication in between root A into root B. We can multiply in one side in one root. Root A is divided by root B. We can also represent by using a single root. Root of A by B. Root of A by B. But these two are possible. Can you guess for addition and subtraction?
Yes. Root A plus root B is equal to root A plus B. This is not true.
This is true for only multiplication and division. Right? 2 root A into root B is equal to, we can represent by single root of A into B. Root A is divided by root B is equal to root of A by B. Root A plus root B is not equal to, please note down, root A plus root B is not equal to root of A plus B.
For subtraction also, root A minus root B is not equal to root of A minus B.
By these four, please note down these four. Please note down in classwork. Now,
root 2 into root 3, into there in between two roots,
we can use single root.
Root of 6, 5 root 6.
5 root 6 is the answer. 5 root 6 is the answer. Okay now, once again, how to multiply? Multiply rational parts individually and then irrational parts individually. Root 2 into root 2, root 2 whole square root cancel. Then 15 into 2, 30 is answer. Here 5 into 1, 5. Root 2 into root 3 is root 6. Please learn this carefully. Okay. Then now I am going to explain divisions. Here divisions on irrational numbers. Same procedure. I am explaining this division. 6. Like multiplications only, we are doing divisions. Multiplications or divisions, same procedure. What is the method? Same. First, we are dividing the rational part and then dividing irrational part separately. Then rational parts. 5 with 3. Take 5 by 3.
5 by 3, or that means into I am using dot or into, no problem. Root 2 by irrational part. Root 2 by root 2, or we can take like that 5 root 2 by 3 root 2.
Next, division only, no? Here root 2 cancel.
What is your answer? 5 by 3 is answer.
5 by 3 is answer. Next, if I take different rational numbers, I am changing example.
Here 6 root 3 divided by 4 root 2. What is answer?
Divisions. I said rationals individually, irrationals individually.
6 by 4 dot root 3 by root 2. 6 by 4 is nothing but 3 by 2. 3 by 2. But here root 3 by root 2. Then we can write 3 by 2. We can use single root. Root of 3 by 2. We can take like that, or else we can represent like this. Then nothing there to cancel. 3 root 3 by 2 root 2. We can take like that.
Okay, Nana? These are about operations on irrational numbers, and please note down these rules also. Here A comma B are two positive real numbers. Okay. Now I am taking some results. Now I am going to take some two irrational numbers. First I am going to add. After what type of numbers, whether it is rational or irrational. Let us see. Now I am giving that explanation first. Addition, if we add, subtract, multiply, divide two irrational numbers, then that result may or may not be irrational. The final answer, if we add two irrational numbers, that final answer may be rational or irrational. May or may not be irrational means sometimes we are getting irrational numbers, sometimes we are getting rational numbers. If we subtract also, take two irrational numbers, subtract. The difference, answer, the final one, the difference is maybe irrational or maybe rational. Sometimes we are getting rational, sometimes we are getting irrational. Like that multiplication also. Multiply two irrational numbers, the result may be rational or may be irrational. May or may not be irrational. May or may not be irrational. That is based on the problem. Okay. Now I am taking two irrational numbers. First I am adding 3 root 2 plus 4 root 2. 3 root 2 plus 4 root 2. Addition I am taking. Addition first. Additions in between two irrational numbers. 3 root 2 plus 4 root 2. Before I explain how to add 3 plus 4, 7 root 2. What type of number it is? 7 root 2 is irrational. 7 root 2 is irrational. Okay, I put a tick mark. Next, I am taking another one. Next number I am taking 3 root 2 plus 4 root 2 plus minus 7 root 2 plus minus 7 root 2. What type of number it is? I am taking this. Then 3 root 2 plus 7 root 2. 3 plus 4, 7 root 2. 7 root 2 minus 7 root 2, that is 0. What type of number it is? Then this is a rational number. From this we can get like this, all these. I am taking multiplication also. I am taking, see this, 3 root 2, one example. 4 root 2 is one more example. In these two examples, irrational number. In these two irrational numbers, I want to do multiplication. What type of result? See, 3 root 2 into 4 root 2. Just now explain. 3 4s are 12 into root 2 into root 2. Root 2 whole square, that is 2 is equal to 24. What is this number? Rational or irrational? Rational. One more example I am taking. 3 root 2 and 4 root 3. Multiply. 3 4s are 12. Root 2 into root 3, root 6. 12 root 6. What type of number it is? Irrational. And sometimes we are getting rational, sometimes we are getting irrational. Sometimes we are getting irrational, sometimes we are getting rational. Based on this, I am giving one notation. If you add rational number, if you add, subtract, multiply, divide two irrational numbers, the resultant irrational numbers, not only two or three, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, in between irrational numbers, the resultant may be rational, may be irrational. And may or may not be rational, may or may not be irrational. And sometimes we are getting rational, sometimes we are getting irrational. That is based on that problems we have taken. Now, in the next video, I am going to give some notations, some operations, some general forms, identities in these operations. Afterwards, I am going to explain a rationalization and then rationalization factors and then some examples based on this we will do. Okay.